Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to get streak on TikTok. So if you're currently missing that exact feature and you want to be able to actually get it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your TikTok app, come to your profile right here as you can see, and then what you're going to do after that is to just click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now get these options right here. But what you're going to do on this page is to just click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, and it should now take you here, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem. Just going to load here for us in just a second, and then you should be taken to this page, which is great. So now what you're going to do is to just scroll basically all the way down below in here until you can see where it says chat with us. So click on chat with us, and now you're just going to write like this to them, report a problem. So just write like this, then click on submit a ticket, and now you need to write exactly like this to the TikTok support to be able to actually get streak on TikTok. I am missing the option that is called streak. I need this to be fixed. Oh, sorry, I don't know why it wrote like that. As you can see, I am missing the option that is called streak. I need this to be fixed. So that is basically exactly what you need to write to them. So now when you're done, just click on submit. And basically you will now need to wait like 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to see this, and then they will get back to you. As you can see, it's going to take a couple of seconds for this to upload, just so you know, to the TikTok support, but you will get like a support ticket that will say open. So I'm going to click on view support ticket now. As you can see, it says in the top right corner, it's like a green symbol, and it says open. And that means that it's now an open ticket. They haven't yet responded or looked into it, but when they do look into it and respond, it's going to say closed, and then you should be able to actually get the streak option now on your account, and that is basically exactly how to get it.